The nature of love. Such a big topic to cover. And yet it's so simple when you really get down to the core and the depths of it. When you begin to explore the truth of who you are, it is inevitable that you will uncover the depths of love and light that you are. This natural unfolding and the awakening process is the remembrance of yourself as light and as love. We have so often felt that love is something that is received from outside of us. This shows up in romantic relationships, family, friends, pets, loved ones, even nature. All of these can reflect love, but the true source of love comes from you, from your light, from the love that you give to yourself. People go most of their lives carrying burdens, weight, aspects of themselves that they believe themselves to be, but truly they are not. If light is the truth, and the truth of who you are is this light, and is the expression of love, then how can anything pervade that expression of you unless you choose it? When you start to come into the awareness and not just being aware of yourself as light and love, but start to accept yourself as light and love, it will bring forth all of the places within you, conscious and subconscious, that you do not believe yourself to be love. These can be specific experiences that have happened in your past, memories, feelings, emotions, thoughts, beliefs. None of this is you. You are love. The transmutation process is allowing these moments to arise and allowing yourself to be love, to be the light as they arise in your present moment awareness, remembering who you are. This is the nature of love. No matter what appears in front of you, a past memory, the present moment, or a future vision, remaining in the presence and awareness of the truth of who you are is the ultimate expression of love. You've got this.